Hello matcha lovers, welcome back. Today is another series of lava and this time we are going to make matcha. Matcha 3 cup sizes, 12, 16 and 22. This time we are going to make matcha lava latte but flavored. I'm going to use 3 different flavors: caramel, hazelnut and vanilla. I'm using a local brand here from Long Beach. The key to the success or the deliciousness of these drinks is on the matcha that you use. So there are many different types of matcha, and in my future video tutorials I am going to show you what the differences are in terms of taste and also texture, color, and of course the price. With matcha, the more expensive it is, the better. But for now, I'm going to use my own blend of matcha here. This is from Japan, Uji matcha. And because this is a latte, I'm going to use milk. You may use any milk of your choice. And for the lava, because you'd like it to be thick, I am going to use my milk syrup, which is a combination of condensed milk and evaporated milk. I have exactly the same size. This is actually condensed and this is evaporated milk. To make it thick, you should make 2 cans condensed milk to 1 can of evaporated milk. You can make it 2:1, or you can just make, if your condensed milk is smaller than this, that's also fine. You can make 2 cans of condensed milk and 1 can of evaporated milk for the milk syrup. Let's start by making our 12 ounces cup. For this, I will need a matcha whisk. If you don't have a matcha whisk, you may also use a regular whisk, but it probably will take longer and you don't get that smooth texture of your matcha. So I would suggest you use a matcha whisk. For the 12 ounces, I'm going to make it caramel matcha lava latte. 1.5 teaspoon of matcha, pure matcha. 2 pumps, or about 14 milliliters of my caramel syrup. Whisk to combine. And you get that deliciously smelling matcha. Oh my goodness, if you are here, you know what I mean. Beautiful, vibrant green color. And if you use the matcha whisk, it's very, very quick to get to that texture that you're looking for. Okay, see that beautiful texture? That is for our caramel matcha lava latte. So because the next one is another flavor, I'll just dip this in water to rinse it. And we can make our second matcha lava. This time I am going to use vanilla. For the 16 ounces cup, what we need: 2 teaspoons of pure matcha. 1, 2, 1 ounce of milk syrup, and for vanilla I'm also going to use 14 or 15 milliliters, 2 pumps, 2, and whisk. There you go. On to our third cup, 22 ounces. For this, I am going to use 2.5 teaspoons. That's 1, 2, and I'm going to switch my teaspoon to 1/2 teaspoon, 2.5 teaspoon of pure matcha, 45 milliliters of my milk syrup. And once again, for the flavor, it's going to be hazelnut. I'm going to use the same 15 milliliters, 2 pumps of hazelnut. You just want a bit of that flavor into your drink. And whisk. I am so happy with this hazelnut syrup. It smells so hazelnutty. I've got my 3 matcha lava here. Let us now assemble our drinks. Starting with 12 ounces. Because I'd like it to be boba, I'm going to use pearls at the bottom, tapioca pearls. You can use grass jelly or cognac pearls depending on what you have available. Nice. We need fresh milk, 120 milliliters or 4 ounces. 12 ounces. On to our next cup, which is 16 ounces for this. One scoop of our tapioca pearls. Add the fresh milk, 150 milliliters or 5 ounces. This is smelling really good. So there you go. This is 16 ounces. And finally, for our 22 ounces, 1 scoop of our boba. For the fresh milk, we need 180 milliliters or 6 ounces. $12 ounces, 16 ounces, and 22 ounces. 3 deliciously looking flavored matcha lava latte. There you go, 3 spectacular looking drinks. This is caramel matcha lava latte. If you get something like olive green, the quality of your matcha might not be as good as those that are fresh smelling, and also the color of green is very vibrant. Cheers. What can I say? Absolutely delicious. Well, do try these recipes at home in your milk tea or coffee shops and let me know how they go for you. In the meantime, don't forget to click that subscribe button below for more of these video tutorials. You will find the recipes in this book, All Things Milk Tea, for over 500 recipes for home and business. Check the description box below for details on how to order. In the meantime, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.